guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do a makeup tutorial, but is no ordinary tutorial. I'm going to reveal something that is so close to my heart, that has been in the works for months and months and months now, and I'm just going to say it because I don't know how to start this video. I really do not know. I did not know how to do this intro. I'm just gonna blurt it out so it's out in the open. You guys know that Smashbox has been one of my favorite brands ever. They are at the top for me, and you know that I have loved driver's seat ever since I can remember. Like, it's been my favorite lipstick shade forever. I've got around 10 of driver's seat just sitting in my vanity, in my bag, everywhere, because this is one lipstick that I love. Like, the shade, the longevity of the lipstick. You guys know driver's seat equals Malvika. So Smashbox reached out to me months ago, and they're like, listen, we know how much your audience loves driver's seat, we know how much you love driver's seat, so we want to create a lip duo with you. And I was like,
what? Say what, girl? You want to create a duo with me?
So they said, yes, we really do want to create a duo with you because we know how well your audience loves this shade and everyone else appreciates this shade so much. So Smashbox and I have collaborated on a mini lip kit. This is it right here. That is my face on the box. It says Smashbox plus Malvika. Look at it up close and center. Oh my god, you have to see this, guys. It is so surreal to me to be holding this box, simply because, I mean, I can't believe my eyes that I'm seeing Smashbox plus Malvika. Like, this is insane, insanely good. I'm so proud of myself. It's taken like years for me to build my brand and to come here. And for Smashbox, like my favorite brand, to come up to me and be like, hey, we want to put your face on the box. This is dreams, dude. This is goals right here. And these two are my favorite shades. These are my ultimate favorite shades and my favorite liquid lipstick formula ever. And we have two shades in here. We've got Stepping Out and Driver's Seat. Stepping Out is like the nude shade. I'm sure you've seen me use this so many times. It's like the perfect nude lip color. Trust me, it is beautiful. Like, you'll see me apply this in the video. I think you know I love nudes. I have all undertones of nudes in my vanity, and this is the nude I always reach out to because I feel like it flatters my skin tone so well and it just looks beautiful, makes me feel powerful, and I love this nude. I think all of you are going to love this so much. It's going to look so beautiful on so many of you. It's such a wearable shade. I wanted to make sure that both the shades in this are wearable by everyone. The best part about this is that this lip kit is only for 990 rupees, which just blows my mind because it is so inexpensive for a Smashbox product, and you get two beautiful shades in it. Two shades. You can just throw in your purse and then be at it. I think 990 rupees is amazingly affordable for Smashbox, and to have my face on this, oh my god, that's my face. That's my face. I'm just like freaking out here, okay? Let me read what's on the back. It says, step out and express different shades of your personality with favorite lip colors chosen by Malvika. These minis last 8 hours, feel comfortable and look great on or off camera. This formula lasts for hours. You do not even have to touch up. Like, trust me, I love this formula simply because it is not too drying on the lips. That's why I love this, and I'm able to wear this all day. And the color, the pigmentation is so amazing on these lipsticks. And for 990 bucks, you can't beat this. So this is only limited edition, you guys. It's available only on Nykaa. So obviously they're gonna have it in the stores, Nykaa Trends, Nykaa Luxe. But yeah, it's available on Nykaa for their Pink Friday sale. So guys, hurry up and buy it because it's limited edition. Once it's sold out, it's gone and done. Okay, so get your hands on this because my face is gonna go really soon. So get this. I really want to see you guys sporting these looks. Both of these colors are so beautiful. I've applied this in this video towards the end of the tutorial. So yeah, I'm going to stop rambling now. I just want to thank Smashbox for making this happen and making this like dream come true, man. This is just so surreal. Okay, so let's quickly jump into the video and I'll show you how I got this look, and you can also see both the shades applied on my lips. So yeah, let's jump into the video. Hey you guys, it's finally here. It's finally here. Okay, I'm gonna prep my skin using the Smashbox primer water and put that all over my face, and then go into the second primer, which is the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur primer. I'm gonna put that all over my problematic areas, that is my nose and my cheek. For foundation, I got the Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage Foundation. I'm so excited. I could not wait to use it. This is my first time using the foundation. I've seen so many people use it, like so many YouTubers use it, that I just wanted to get my hands on this. It's brand new, just fresh out in the market. This color is light for me. I'm currently using 2.22, which is a light, medium, and neutral undertone. This is sort of not my shade. As you can see, it's very, very white. So I have to go up a shade. I have to like go into the warm sort of undertone. So I'm gonna get my shade, but I had to try it for you guys. Look at that coverage. It is absolutely full coverage. It's literally painting on a new skin. I'm not even kidding. Like, it is matte also, by the way. So for my oily skin girls, this foundation is going to be your holy grail foundation. And if you suffer from blemishes and acne scars and things like that, this is going to be your foundation because it is so full coverage. I don't need to say it, you guys can see it. It's like painting on another skin. But I love the foundation. You need just one tiny little drop and it's gonna cover everything. So I'm gonna go in with the Smashbox Studio Skin to just balance out the color because it was too white, like you can see. So I'm just gonna make it a little warmish. This is also 2.22, but this is sort of my shade. It's the Studio Skin foundation, one of my favorite foundations again. For concealer, I'm going to go in with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Instant Fix Concealer. I'm using the shade 3N Medium Neutral. This is such a beautiful concealer. Trust me, if you are one of those ladies and men who wear concealer like to work every single day and you want something that is light on the skin and doesn't like clog your pores and stuff, this is the concealer because it is extremely lightweight. And I've been using this a lot lately. The other side of the concealer has this hydrating solution where you can just apply it and hydrate your under eye, and then you can go in with this. But yeah, just letting you know, if you're looking for a good high-end concealer for your mom or something, if they're looking out for a nice sheer coverage concealer that's buildable, I highly recommend this one. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my face using a loose powder. You can definitely bake or set, however you do it regularly. I'm just gonna dust some powder everywhere to set my face, and I'm gonna pick the same powder up on a beauty sponge and I'm just gonna go over it, setting my entire face so I can move on to the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna go in with the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess because this is such a beautiful bronzer. I've been using this for years now. I'm just gonna warm up my face, not necessarily contour it, because you guys know I don't contour my skin or face very harshly. I really like the warmth that it brings and the dimensions it gives my face. So I'm just gonna add very, very little all over my jaw area, my nose, and outer perimeters of my face. For blush, I'm gonna use the MAC Mocha blush. It's the only blush I own, to be honest, like high-end wise. Like, it's the only blush I gravitate towards. It's just like the perfect undertone. It's really beautiful, very, very light on the skin again, not heavily pigmented, so it gives like the perfect amount of flush that you need on your skin. Then I'm gonna go in to the Smashbox palette. I'm gonna take that beautiful rose color and I'm just gonna put that all over my eyes. These palettes are really great for travel also, very pigmented. I love the Smashbox eye palettes, they're so good. So I'm just gonna put that all over my eye basically. And then I'm going to take that beautiful whitish champagne shade and I'm going to put that again all over my lid. Alright, so then I'm going to move on to that orange color. I'm taking the Smashbox LA Cover Shot Eye Palette. This is such a beautiful color too, like beautiful palette. And I love this warm orangey shade. So I'm just going to put that on the outer corner of my eye and just smoke it out a little bit. Taking the same palette and picking up that dark brown eyeshadow, I'm just going to create this depth and smokiness towards the outer corner. And again, I'm going back and forth with all the eyeshadows because I blend too much. So I'm just going to reapply the lid shadow once again to make sure it's pigmented. And then I'm going into that warm brown shadow, and I'm just gonna, like, orangish shadow. And then I'm just gonna go on my lower lash line and smoke it out. Zan! So excited, dude. You have no idea, you guys. Like, while I'm blending, I'm just gonna chit chat with you. This is so insanely amazing. I'm so happy, dude. Today is like one of my favorite days ever. Okay, anyway, coming back, I'm gonna take some mascara and I'm just gonna put that all over my lashes, and then put on some falsies off camera because I really wanted this look to be glam. Okay, we're going all out for this look today. I'm gonna pick up that brown eyeshadow and I'm just gonna put that on my lower lash line because I really want it to be a little bit dark and smoky, just tying in the look together. Then I'm taking the Bobbi brown highlighter. Dude, what a beautiful highlighter this is. Look at how wet my skin looks. It's one of those highlighters where you look very like, you know, you're sweating in the gym and suddenly you have that inner glow. It's beautiful, doesn't emphasize any texture or pore. One of the best highlighters I've actually come across. I was obsessed with it. It's so beautiful. This like completed my glam look basically. Yep, now let's move on to the lipsticks. Okay guys, so now for my lip, I'm gonna wear two colors to show you how these colors look on my lip from my kit with Smashbox Cosmetics. I'm so excited, I can't stop smiling. Oh my god. Okay, let's jump into this. I'm gonna put Stepping Out first, which is the nude shade, and then I'm gonna move on to Driver's Seat. So this is the color Stepping Out, and it is such a beautiful nude. It's one of my ultimate nude shades to have. It's not too cool, it's not too warm. It just flatters your skin tone so beautifully. No matter what skin tone you are, what undertone you are, it's gonna look beautiful on you. And I felt it was so important to have a nude lipstick in the kit, so that's why I had to include this. And Stepping Out has been my favorite nude since forever now. Like, I always have that in my bag as a backup no matter what. I have so many nude lipsticks. You guys know that nude is my favorite lip to wear. I have brown undertones, pink undertones, I've got like neutral, very pale nudes, cool nudes, and I feel like this is the perfect combination and it looks so stunning. I'm so excited for this. I'm so excited. I cannot wait for you to try it. If you haven't tried it, you are going to love this color. Alright guys, so that was Stepping Out, the perfect nude ever. Now the next color I have is my ultimate favorite lipstick at this moment. It's none other than Driver's Seat. You guys already know Driver's Seat through me. I feel like everyone's like, Malvika, Driver's Seat only reminds me of you. So I'm so glad a lot of you already have it and know how amazing this color is. guys, so this is driver's seat. Oh my god, I can't. Like, the minute I put this shade on, I feel like a completely different person, a confident, beautiful person. I can just like conquer the world in driver's seat. I freaking love this color. Like, no lip shade has made me feel so good. Like, there are many lip shades, yeah, that I love, but this has to be one liquid lipstick that I have completed fully down to the bottom. This lipstick is everything I want to be known as. Like, this color is everything for me. I love coral colors. It suits my skin tone so well. The best part about this, it looks different on different skin tones. I feel like it looks a little bit pinky on some people. It looks more corally on some skin tones, but it looks flattering. It's one color that's going to suit all of you, and it's a color you can wear like every day, literally. It is so beautiful. I cannot stop talking about this lipstick. Hence, it's in my lip kit that I'm so proud of. Alright guys, so that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you. This would have not been possible without you all loving this shade so much and loving me so much. So thank you for showing driver's seat and stepping out so much love. They're available now. Please shop. I really want you to have this. All the links will be down below. All the information that you need will be in the bottom bar down below. Thank you Smashbox once again for believing in me, in just trusting that I could do this, even be on your box. It means so much to me. You have no idea. I'm filled with gratitude. I never take this for granted. I never take this for granted. Oh my god, I can't believe it. Smashbox has put me on the box. I'm still like thinking about it. Isn't it so, like, I can't stop talking about it. It's like weird. Thank you so much. Okay, I think I'm gonna go now because I'm gonna cry, girl. And my makeup's gonna get spoiled. I look really glam right now and I ain't about to cry. Okay, I'm gonna remove this and ugly cry on the side later so you guys don't see my tears. But thank you. Thank you all for making this happen. I love you so much from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!